Thought I'd throw up another video of showed you guys how to do the front brakes there quick. They're pretty simple. Never seen a video on how to do the back brakes, so just thought I'd show you what I figured out. So the back brakes are right on the rear drive shaft, right in front of the rear diff. Basically the same setup, but bolts are different and the bolts are a little tougher to get at. So this one's same thing, just regular old 13 mil wrench. And loosen that bolt off. Once you've got it loose, you can just get in there with your fingers, take that one out, and then the other one is right in there, right above the diff, underneath the frame, all kinds of stuff around it. So what I found is, everybody's seen a wrench before, they got that bent end on the side of them. So if you flip it around like that, your angle actually goes towards the front of the quad. The handle of the wrench goes towards the front of the quad. So if you come in from the other side, go on top of the diff, you can see right there I can get at it. Over here I got room to move the wrench. So same thing, you can just get in there, loosen that one. Doesn't take much to loosen it to the point that you can get at it with your fingers. I don't know if you can see it in there. I'm on there. Okay, that's pretty good enough. Now I can get my hand. You can actually wrap your hand around inside of there. Not quite loose enough yet. It's going to be stubborn all the way. Well, I've heard of guys saying they got to take all kinds of brackets off and stuff apart to get this rear brake caliper off to change the brakes. Not the case at all. A little bit of thought and figuring out where your hand fits and where a wrench can fit, and there we go. So now that one's out. Just grab that caliper and take her out of place. Now I can change them brake pads and put the bolts back in place. So that's how to do it without taking half your quad apart. Thanks for watching.